हेलो प्यारे बच्चों। टुडे अगेन आई am on the class 8 square and square root topic. Here we are in the second last topic of the long division method of this chapter. In this video we are going to find out the square root of the decimal numbers. Now in decimal the decimal numbers are also of different kinds. So we are going to talk about all the types of decimal numbers that you see, right? Here if I see, this is the first question. Here it is asked to find the square root of this particular number. Okay, the question says find the square root of 0.8. Here if I see, this is completely a decimal number. Here the whole part is 0. So when you do the pairing in the case of decimal part, so in the case of whole part क्या होता था? The pairing is from right to left. Pairing कैसे होती थी whole part में? Right to left होती थी. But here the pairing will be left to right. That means in this direction. जो डेसिमल नंबर्स की पेयरिंग होती है वो हमेशा किस डायरेक्शन में होती है? डेसिमल नंबर्स आर पेयर्ड फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. डेसिमल पार्ट और नंबर्स आर पेयर्ड फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. ये लेफ्ट टू राइट डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, तो यहां पर तो देयर वॉज नो होल नंबर, तो ओनली डेसिमल नंबर इज देयर. इजी दैट यू कैन डू द पेयरिंग. सो द फर्स्ट पेयर आफ्टर डेसिमल इज 80. So in the quotient automatically it will come point, right? Now I need to think one number which can divide this 80. So if you think that 8 8s are 64, it is quite nearby. So 8 8s are 64. I will write under 80, subtracted in the dividend section. 10 minus 4 6, 7 minus 6 1. Then 8 will be added in the divisor section. Added, that is 16. Now copy down the another pair, that is 1600. Now in front of 16 I need to put any one digit. So whatever the number will be formed, if it is multiplied that digit, it should come nearby to 1600. Okay, so if you remember, here the highest place is 16, here also highest place is 16. So 16 9s are 144. I guess we should try with 9 at first. So in front of 16 I have put 9. Let us try. 9 9s are 81, 8 left. 9 6 are 54 plus 8, 62. 6 left. 9 1s are 9 plus 6, 15. Yeah, this is coming nearby. So here it will come 9. And here you will write 1521. Subtract it in the dividend section. 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 2 7. Now 5 minus 5 0. 9 will be added in the divisor section. 178. Please keep it in mind while you are adding the digit in the divisor section. Here addition happens. Okay, sometimes the student used to do the multiplication, but here the addition happens. Now copy down this 0 0 here, right? Now in front of 178 I need to put again one digit so that it could be nearby 7900. So if you see 17 4s, the higher digit here is 17. So 17 4s is 68. So try with 4. Right, in front of 178 I have put 4, multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 16, 1. 4 8s are 32 plus 1. 32 plus 1, that will come 33. 3 left. 7 8s are 4 7s are 28 plus 3, 31. 4 1s are 4 and 3 7. So it is coming 7136, quite approximate. So 4 will come here in the divisor section, 4 will come here in the quotient, and it will subtract. It will come after subtraction 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 3 6, and 8 minus 1 7, and 4 will be added here. So it will come 1788, right? So if I found the square root of 0.80, it has come 0.894. Now try to answer till 2 digits. So as we know, the third digit is 4. It is not 5 or greater than 5. So I can leave its answer till 0.89 also. Okay. So in this way you can find out the square root of the decimal numbers only. Now we are moving towards the next question, 115.391. Here the whole part is also there as well as the decimal part is there. So in the whole part, pairing will be from right to left, while in the decimal part, the pairing will be left to right. Okay? So in this way I have put the arrow also to indicate clearly. Okay. Now if I want to find out the 3 digits after decimal, so I need to insert the 3 pairs after decimal, right? So now start dividing. So at first the whole part will be divided. So the first pair in the whole part is 1. So by which number it will be divisible? By 1 only. So 1 ones are 1. 1 will be added here. Here it will come 2. So here 1, and it will be 0, and the 15 will come as the next pair. Now even if you put 0 in front of 2, then also the number 15 is not divisible by 20. So here I can at max put 0. So I will put 0, and with this 220 will be multiplied 0. What do you get? 0 only, and 0 will come in the quotient, right? So 0 will come here, and what remainder left? 15. Now 0 will be added in the divisor section. What it will come? 20. Now put the decimal and copy down the next pair, that is 39, right? Now in front of 20 you need to put any digit. See, higher place is 2 here in the divisor, higher place in the dividend is 15. So if we multiply 2 by 7, we got 14 nearby 15. So try with at 7 at first. So what we are going to get? 207, and 207 will be multiplied by 7. It will come 1449. Yes, it is coming nearby. So 7 will come in the quotient, 7 will come in the divisor, and here in the dividend it will come 1449. Subtracted, it will come 0, and here it will come 9. 7 will be added in the divisor section, it will come 214. Now copy down the next digit, that is 00. Next pair we have copied. Now 214 is the number. In front of this 214 I need to put any digit. So if you remember 21, right? 2 is at the higher place, 9 is here at the higher place. So if we multiply 2 by 4, so it comes 8, nearby to 9. So try with 4. So in front of 214 I have put 4. So the number become 2144 multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 16, 1 left, 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17, 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5, 4 2s are 8. It is coming approximately nearby. So 4 will come here in the divisor, 4 will come in the quotient, and here it will come 8576. Here we have copied the pair. This was 9010. Okay, make the correction here. Now 10 minus 6, 4. 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 5, 3. 4 will be added here. It will come 2144. 4, 8. Right? Now I need to copy down the next pair. So it will come double 3 4 400. Now the number is, divisor is 2148. So in front of 2148 I have to put one digit. Here the first digit is 2, right? Here the first digit is 1. So even if I put 2 in front of this, then also it will become more than 2 2s are 4. So I need to try it with 1 only. So in front of this 8, I need to put 1. Multiply it by 1. What it will come? 21481. So here in the quotient it will come 1. Here in the divisor it will come 1. 1 will be added also. Right? So 21482. And here in the dividend it will come 21481. Subtract it. What you are going to get? 9, 1, then 9, and 2 minus 1, 1 and 1. Okay. So in this way you have found the square root of 115.391. That has come 10.741, or till 2 digit it will be 10.74 only. For giving the answer till 2 digit, we need to see the third digit. If it is 5 or greater than 5, then I have to increase the second digit by 1. Otherwise, if it is less than 5, so we can leave the second digit as it is. So in this way, you can find the square root of the decimal number. Any kind of square root, any kind of decimal number, you can find its square. So this was all about the square and square root. One more concept I just want to give you. Just try to understand only the concept. It is 7 whole 3 by 5. There are two ways. First of all, change it into improper fraction. That will come 38 upon 5. Then you find out the, suppose if it is said to find out the square root of this, right? So you find out the square root of 38 upon 5. Individually find out the square root of 38, square root of 5, and then divide. You will get the correct answer. Second case can be like this. Suppose it is said to find out the square root of 33 multiplied 11. Okay. Or suppose 14. Any number. So in this case, you can find out the square root of 33 separately and 14 separately, and then you can multiply. So this was all about the square and square root. I have made the complete series of videos on each and every concept of square and square root. Go through the playlist, you will find every kind of concept. If you find that my channel, my videos are helpful in the learning journey of mathematics to you, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to give the thumbs up or any comment. I wish all the best to all of you. Keep practicing, keep learning. With Maths Gurukul by Ruchi Gupta.